Have you ever wondered how everything in the universe, seen and unseen, is connected? It's a question that sparks our innate curiosity, isn't it? This universal connection, this web of existence, spins the story of the Law of Divine Oneness. It's a compelling concept steeped in spiritual and philosophical traditions, suggesting an inherent unity underlying all existence. Imagine a cosmic tapestry where every thread, every color, every pattern is linked. That's the principle of interconnectedness, the first component of the Law of Divine Oneness. It doesn't stop there, though. The tapestry is imbued with a universal consciousness, a divine presence that permeates every thread of creation. Despite the multitude of patterns and colors, there's a unity, a oneness that binds us all. We're all drops in the same cosmic ocean. And here's the kicker: our thoughts, actions, and emotions ripple through this ocean, impacting not just our lives, but the collective consciousness and world around us. Now, delve deeper into these fascinating components of the Law of Divine Oneness. Picture every element in the universe as a part of a grand cosmic web. Like the threads of a tapestry, each individual strand is unique and distinct, yet interwoven to create a larger whole. This is the principle of interconnectedness. It suggests that all physical, spiritual, emotional, and energetic aspects of existence are intricately linked. Imagine the morning sun warming the earth, fueling the growth of a tree that provides shade, shelter, and oxygen. The tree, in turn, supports a whole ecosystem of life, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal. This is a simple example of interconnectedness in our daily life, but the connections extend much further. Every thought we think, every emotion we feel, every action we take ripples out into the universe, affecting not only our own lives but also those around us, and even the world at large. Consider the butterfly effect, a concept from chaos theory. It proposes that the flap of a butterfly's wings in Brazil can set off a cascade of atmospheric events, leading to a tornado in Texas. It's a metaphor, of course, but it beautifully illustrates how small actions can have far-reaching effects, an echo of the interconnectedness principle. The universe, in its infinite complexity, is a symphony of interconnections. Each note, though singular, contributes to the overall melody. And so it is with us, each thought, each action, each emotion playing its part in the grand cosmic orchestra. The universe, in its infinite complexity, is a symphony of interconnections. Imagine a consciousness that permeates every atom of creation. This is the breathtaking notion of universal consciousness, a divine essence from which everything arises. Picture a vast, infinite ocean of awareness, where every wave, every ripple, every droplet is imbued with consciousness. This is the essence of the universe, the lifeblood of creation, the fabric of reality. Universal consciousness isn't some esoteric, abstract concept. It's a fundamental aspect of various spiritual and philosophical traditions. While these traditions may use different names, the source, the universe, God, the concept remains the same. It's this omnipresent consciousness, this divine essence that infuses and connects all of existence. Take, for instance, how Eastern philosophies approach this concept. In Hinduism, it's often referred to as Brahman, the ultimate reality underlying all phenomena. In Buddhism, it's the Dharmakaya, the body of reality itself. In Taoism, it's the Tao, the way of the universe. Meanwhile, Western thought has its own interpretations. Quantum physicists propose a unified field of consciousness, an underlying non-local quantum field that connects everything. This is not just a spiritual concept, but a scientific one, a testament to the unity of all knowledge. Universal consciousness is the divine essence, the cosmic glue that holds everything together. It's the invisible thread that binds us, the unseen force that links every atom, every star, every being. This universal consciousness is the thread that weaves the tapestry of existence. Despite the myriad forms and phenomena in the universe, there is an underlying unity. Imagine the vast expanse of the ocean. Though it is comprised of countless individual drops, each one unique in its journey and form, they all come together to create the singular entity we know as the sea. This is a vivid illustration of unity and diversity. Just like the boundless ocean, the universe is a confluence of diverse elements, each contributing to the whole in its unique way. Each star, each planet, each living being, while distinct in its identity, is a vital part of this cosmic tapestry. They are all interconnected expressions of the same underlying reality. Differences then are merely surface-level observations. At the core, we are all cut from the same cloth, all expressions of the same divine source. We are all part of the same cosmic symphony, each playing our unique note. In the grand scheme of things, we are all part of a unified whole. Every thought, every action, every emotion sends ripples across the universe. Imagine a serene pond, undisturbed, its surface a mirror to the sky. Now imagine a pebble being thrown into that pond. The moment it touches the surface, it disrupts that stillness, sending ripples across the water. Each ripple, though small, affects the entire pond. This is a metaphor for the effect of our thoughts, actions, and emotions on the universe. We are not isolated beings living in our separate bubbles. Instead, we are all part of the grand tapestry of existence, woven together by the threads of our shared consciousness. Our thoughts, actions, and emotions are the pebbles we throw into the pond of the universe, creating ripples that extend far beyond our immediate surroundings. They impact not only our lives, but also the collective consciousness, the world around us, and ultimately, the entire universe. Every kind thought you have, every act of kindness you perform, every positive emotion you feel sends a ripple of positivity across the universe. Similarly, negative thoughts, actions, and emotions send out ripples of negativity. The ripples you create, whether positive or negative, affect the entire universe because we are all interconnected. This understanding brings with it a profound sense of personal responsibility. Every thought you think, every action you take, every emotion you feel has the potential to impact the universe. Therefore, it is crucial to be mindful of our thoughts, actions, and emotions, to strive for positivity, kindness, and compassion, because these qualities will send out positive ripples into the universe. But remember, the ripple effect is not just about personal transformation, it's about collective transformation. When we change ourselves, we change the world. When we create positive ripples, we contribute to the positivity of the universe. And when we all do this together, imagine the transformation we can bring about. The power to shape the universe lies within each one of us. The law of divine oneness is more than a concept. It's a way of life. It's an understanding that we are all interconnected, part of a grand universal consciousness. It's a realization that despite our diversity, we're all part of one unified whole. Our thoughts, actions, and emotions ripple out, affecting the world around us. Recognizing this interconnectedness, honoring it, is crucial. Through awareness and alignment with this principle, we can foster harmony, compassion, and positive transformation in our lives and the world around us.